everyone, it's Ariella here. So in this video, I would like to take you guys to go to school with me. And right now, I'm walking to wait for the bus. So please stay tuned until the end. So actually, these videos were taken on August 2023, and I just got the time to edit it after my exchange year. And what surprised me here was the neighborhood. The neighborhood here is so quiet, which is very peaceful, and I do love it. And I usually wait for the bus at 7:20 and the bus will come at 7:30. So I just gotta stand here waiting for the bus. And here at school we have pepperoni. And usually we wearing school colors, sharing school cheers, rousing talks, playing games or challenges between the student and teacher, as well as playing fun music. And you guys gotta listen to this.
You can't hold your balloon up like that either. Good try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
All the classes that I've been went to, I finally can go home with the school bus. And then we got a plan for today, so we were going to go to the lake with the Pathfinder Club. So actually the lake is pretty close to my host family's house. It's like 5 minutes of driving, but we have to go home first, got change, and then go to the lake with my host family. Actually, we had some fun here because we were playing at the park, playing with the water and looking for the fish, but also we were learning about the nature too, and we had dinner here. Oh, it's really cool. But oh, it's better here. It's better here. It's not really cold. So, just throw it. Woo! That must be so cool. Take photos.
Lift your rock up. You can. I can do it.
And then we're heading out and we gotta see this pretty sunset. It's so beautiful here. And finally we arrived at home and I gotta do my laundry. And this is what happened in the next morning, and I have to go to the emergency room.
Take me